The RYOBI PCL206B Drill driver features an impressive motor that delivers up to 515 inch-pounds of torque, making it suitable for a wide range of drilling and driving tasks. With its 2-speed gearbox, this drill driver allows you to switch easily between 0 to 450 and 0 to 1,750 revolutions per minute, providing flexibility for various applications. The 24-position clutch ensures precise control over torque settings, allowing you to achieve the perfect depth for screws and fasteners. A keyless ratcheting chuck holds bits securely, reducing the likelihood of slippage during operation and enhancing user safety. An onboard LED worklight enhances visibility in dimly lit areas, a practical feature for projects in less illuminated environments. Part of the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ system, this tool is compatible with over 280 cordless products, offering extensive versatility for any DIY enthusiast or professional.